Welcome to our guide on crafting your own IPTV service easily without tech knowledge. Today, you'll learn how to transform your viewing experience with a personalized IPTV system. First, let's gather the essential tools you'll need to get started on your IPTV journey. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to transform your TV with Internet Protocol television. Step 1 in this process involves setting up a reliable internet connection effortlessly. Next, you'll set up middleware for efficient management of your IPTV service with ease. Now, let's move on to selecting channels and bundles that fit your personal preferences. Customize your IPTV interface for a user-friendly experience that you will truly enjoy. Integrating online streaming services will expand your viewing options beyond traditional channels. Let's test the system to ensure a seamless streaming experience without any hiccups. Troubleshooting common issues like buffering or lag will make sure your service runs smoothly. Consider augmenting your service with more advanced options available at 2TV.store. This site offers affordable and feature-rich packages to upgrade your viewing experience. With 2TV.store, accessing high-quality channels and features becomes remarkably affordable. Congratulations! You've successfully built and personalized your own IPTV service like a pro. Stay tuned for more DIY tech guides, empowering you to create value at home.